Welcome guys to another video, another product, another toy today. Okay, this time from Amazon. Guys, इसको ओपन करते हैं. And in this package हमेशा बड़ा होता है, अंदर का पैकेज हमेशा छोटा ही होता है. The carton is always big, the inside is always small. Anyways, so this is what it is. Not exactly a branded, but the body design tells it's a Range Rover. So that's from the Land Rover house. We'll open this. And this is it. Okay, this is a red colored Range Rover. The design tells it's an Evoque, basically. Two-door Evoque, which is there outside India. So, but obviously not a licensed one. So there is no branding of Range Rover. Something is there. Okay, this is a charging cable. So obviously this is a rechargeable one. The charging cable. It's a car, and this is a remote. These are the three things only there. I think nothing else. This is a made in India car. It's not a Chinese one. आप देख सकते हो. So good to have such things now from India. 4 colors है इसमें, but I've got the red one. Anyways, previously before this I had got the yellow one also, but that was long back. So based on that feedback I got this one. This is a pretty good car basically. So इसको open करते हैं. We'll open the locks. This is a remote. काफ़ी छोटा सा remote है, you can see. And like 4 buttons are there, left, right, and you can see forward, reverse. Obviously काफ़ी हल्का है, it's lightweight, so that there is no battery inside. Obviously we'll have to put batteries in there. I'll open the car now. So here are the 2 locks. And the car is out. Okay, so काफ़ी अच्छी finishing है, gloss finish. So there is no branding on the front or rear. This is a charging port, and this is the on-off button. So you can see 1.45 volts, AA size, 2 batteries. We will put this, we'll charge this, and then we will see. So guys, I have put 2 batteries inside over here, and I've charged the car also somewhat. ज़्यादा charge नहीं किया है, but anyways charged for a half an hour or something. There will be some residual charge inside since it has been shipped, and now I've charged it, so it should run anyways. So let's see. इसको box को थोड़ा हटा देते हैं हम लोग नीचे. We'll remove this box, and we will see. So this is a charging cable. Everything I'm removing, and इसको ऑन करते हैं. Let's see if, yes, it runs. It's running. Nice it is. I think there are no lights on the rear, only lights on the front. So those are bright enough, and left, right works fine. Speed is also good, response time is also good. You can see a bit on the ground also. Guys, there are a lot of kids over here and I am testing in my balcony. Lot of noises because kids are playing everywhere down here, downstairs. So I just came to show you how it works on the ground. So you can see like it works superb. It goes down there, coming back. Makes some noise, but response time is good. You can see response is fairly good. So guys, it's all in all, it's a great toy for kids, for your kids. See, the response is totally good. I'm not able to control it. it's drifting also, making a donut or a drift like this. So it's a nice car. Anyway, so guys, considering the product and the price, to be honest, there is no price mentioned. I searched on the box, but considering the product, the factors, the response time, quality of the plastic, it's fairly good. Not a clumsy one. Fairly good it is. And response time I showed you, it works superb. Okay, you can see like this now also works superb. So considering this, I got it at a killer price. It's 314. So at 300 bucks, I think it's worth the money. What else you can get? It's a rechargeable car with the batteries, with the cable, with the rechargeable batteries obviously inside. Obviously not the remote batteries, but there will be a battery inside which you can recharge, and with the charging cable and this remote. So it's fine. The package is very economical if you see, and works fine. So definitely worth for buying, for gifting, for kids, birthdays and all. Definitely will make children happy. So if you like this product, do consider buying. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.